Tip 1: Asparagus for digestive health. It's not just a tasty vegetable, it's a good source of fiber, folate, and vitamins like A, C, and K. Asparagus supports digestive health, boosts the immune system, and helps maintain healthy bones. Tip 2: Blackberries for skin health. They're not only delicious, but also rich in antioxidants and vitamin C. Blackberries promote skin health, reduce the risk of chronic diseases, and support the immune system. Tip 3: Eggs for protein power. Eggs, a true protein powerhouse, they provide essential nutrients like choline and B vitamins. Eggs contribute to muscle growth, brain health, and energy production. Tip 4: Brussels sprouts for bone health. These little green wonders are packed with vitamins K and C, and fiber, and antioxidants. Brussels sprouts promote bone health and have anti-inflammatory properties. Roast them or sauté, with a bit of olive oil for a delicious side. Tip 5: Oregano for flavor and health. Lastly, tip number 5: Unveils oregano. It's not just a pizza topping, it's a herb with antimicrobial and antioxidant properties. Use dried or fresh oregano to season your dishes for a flavor and health boost. If you found these superfood revelations fascinating, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and join us on the path to a healthier you. Until next time, stay focused and keep moving forward.